Hi, on this lesson, I will explain about NTP, Network Time Protocol. You are a network administrator and your job is to ensure that log messages are accurately time-stamped by maintaining synchronization of clocks on hosts and network devices. Because many of the things involved in the security of a network, such as security logs, depend on an accurate date and timestamp. Seconds matter when dealing with an attack because it is important to identify the order in which a specified attack occurred. NTP protocol allows routers on the network to synchronize their time settings with an NTP server. This command is allow the router's clock to be synchronized by an NTP time server. About NTP authentication. NTP version 3 and later supports a cryptographic authentication mechanism between NTP peers. This authentication mechanism can be used to help mitigate NTP attack. Clients config without authentication still get the time from the server. The difference is that these clients do not authenticate the server as a secure source. There are 3 commands to config NTP authentication. The first command is to enable NTP authentication. The second command is to define the authentication key using MD5 hashing with the key value password. The last command is to identify the trusted key to use for NTP authentication. And now we move on to our packet chaser activity file to config NTP and NTP authentication. Part 2. Config NTP. Step 1. Enable NTP authentication on PCA. Step 2. Configure router 1, router 2, and router 3 as NTP clients. Step 3. Configure routers to update hardware clock. Step 4. Configure NTP authentication on the routers. Step 5. Configure routers to timestamp log messages.